Hi guys, welcome back to Bamboo Kitchen. Today we're making the Sumikko Gurashi Meringue cookies. I love Sumikko Gurashi so much. They are a very popular character here and in Japan. We are going to make 4 characters today, and these meringue cookies are going to be so kawaii and delicious. So let's get started. To start our meringue, place the egg whites and icing sugar in a large bowl. Mix until well combined. This recipe is so easy to remember. If you want to double or triple the recipe, just remember that the amount of the icing sugar is always twice as the egg whites. Once that is all combined, I'm just gonna place this bowl over boiling water on the stove. Whisk vigorously until sugar dissolves and there are no more sugar granules visible. Remove from heat. Using hand or stand mixer, beat on medium-high until egg whites become bright white but still runny. Add in vanilla extract, then beat on medium-high to stiff bits. This process will take for about 8 to 10 minutes. Separate the batter in a few small bowls. Add in food coloring to the color for each character. Now we are going to load our meringue batter to a pastry bag. This information is for your guidance of what color you will need for all the characters and details. You also can find it in the description below. Then to pipe our meringue, I'm start out by creating a round shape for each character. You can see I'm just doing this on my parchment paper lined baking sheet. We are gonna make 4 pieces for each character. Go ahead and repeat this for all of the rest characters. And then adding other details. Hands and fins for Tokage. Hands, ears, and nose for Nico and Shirokuma. Mouth and hands for penguin. And afterwards, we are going to bake this off at 180 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 hours. Once the meringue have come out from the oven, let it cool completely on the cooling rack. You can store the meringue at room temperature in an airtight container for up to 3 weeks. Just make sure that you line parchment paper between each layer of meringue. Now it's time to decorate. I'm starting off by taking some food coloring mixed with vodka. Rum or lemon or vanilla extracts will work too. Now we are going to add on the ice of sirokuma, then the penguin, eyes, nose, and mustache for Nico, and finally, eyes and mouth for Tokage. Alright guys, the meringue for Sumikko Gurashi are all finished now. They look so kawaii. They have that nice crispy outside and chewy inside, just like the perfect meringue. And they also floating too. So adorable. And I'm sure if you bring this to your next party, everyone will love them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Meme Kitchen for more cute treats and best recipe. I hope you will enjoy this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.